more box.
We got some friend mail all the way from New Mexico from our friend Andrea and her kids Grayson and Aislinn. Andrea's channel is called Hey It's Dre. I will pop it up right over here, and I will also link her channel in the description box. Please go and check her out. She is the queen of DIYs. In fact, she did a Halloween series of DIY Halloween home decor, and she is really, really good at it. I mean, the things that she comes up with and the way it turns out is so perfect, and she shows you how to do it. She redid her whole kitchen to be a Halloween theme. And I'm not gonna say anymore. Head to her channel and make sure you check it out. I'm sure she has a lot of ideas for Christmas as well. She was super duper sweet. She reached out to me and said she wanted to send my family and I some goodies. I have no clue what's in here, but I'm assuming it may be something to do with crafts because that's what she's great at. Oh, another thing that she does that is amazing is she makes fake desserts, like fake cupcakes, fake pies, fake macaroons. And it looks so realistic, like really, really real. We're gonna open up the box and see what kind of goodies she sent us. Ready?
I see more box.
I already seen something cupcake related.
I see the line. How do you see it?
Okay.
Oh my god, that's cool.
Oh. Okay, wait. Card first.
Sally.
This really just makes my heart so happy. Sally and fam, we hope you enjoyed this little package from our family to yours. I sent some fake fall cupcakes I made. I love to display these on my countertops or on my coffee station. I found you a bag of the turkey dinner candy corn because I know your family has fun with challenges. Good luck. We haven't opened our bag yet, but someone who tried them last year said some of the flavors are so bad. The rest of the items are local favorites where I live. Happy fall, and I hope you enjoy everything. Love always, Andrea.
Oh.
I was not expecting this at all. I'm so excited to show you guys
Good job.
the fake cupcakes that she makes. The first things I'm gonna bring out are
Whoa,
Oh my god,
this
this looks good.
popcorn.
This is Cookie Monster popcorn.
How cute. And it is Cookie Monster colors.
And this is chocolate dipped churro or churro, or however people say it. I don't know.
Is it churros or
Or
churros?
We call it churros.
I call it churros, but I'm probably butchering the way it is supposed to be pronounced. Shayla was just asking me tonight, can I eat popcorn? And she loves to eat it with chocolate. So that has chocolate on it. We love popcorn in this house.
Okay, which one are you?
I guess the chocolate dip churro. Of course, Shaylin would grab the biggest one. Okay, cheers. Okay. Love chocolate. Oh yeah, I taste the cinnamon, like from churros.
No.
10 out of 10. Yeah.
Again, she got the biggest one. Cookie Monster. I'm curious. What does Cookie Monster popcorn taste like? Cheers.
I can taste the cookie.
Mm-hmm.
Is there chocolate chips in
Over here.
here? There's like white chocolate, milk chocolate, maybe some caramel.
Who's that?
It's good.
What? I have something in mind.
Sounds good. 10 out of 10 again.
Like, do you see the little brown thing on there? What is that?
Okay.
That's good. Thanks for the popcorn. Now, she just posted this video of her making these fake
squishies?
fall cupcakes. She literally hand painted the fall leaves. She did everything from piping the fake frosting, piping the fake batter, and decorating it. Isn't that beautiful?
I'll show the other one.
Oh, this one broke. It looks like this one may have had a little accident, but
The other piece.
I'm pretty sure I can
Glue it.
glue it. Okay, unfortunately, this one did break in 3 different pieces, but I will glue that back together.
How did she make that?
Go on her channel.
But this one is in one piece. Here's the other one.
Oh no.
Isn't that
Oh
good?
no.
I've seen people try these. Candy corn Thanksgiving dinner flavors.
Ugh.
And then the last item in here, she knows I love my coffee. New Mexico coffee. So this is gonna be a first time for me trying this. Thank you so much, Andrea. And thank you, Grayson and Aislinn. We are definitely gonna enjoy all these goodies. As you can see, Shaylin is already diving into more popcorn,
We're
even
supposed to
though
eat dinner.
she didn't have dinner yet. I'm honestly nervous to try this. Like really nervous to try it. Green beans or something?
What?
Green beans, roasted turkey,
Cranberry sauce.
Okay, this one
and
got
stuffing. Green beans.
Can I?
3,
2, 1.
This one might not fit.
No thank you to green beans. We'll pass on
It
that.
tastes like the bean boozle.
Yes, that's what it's like, bean boozled. Let's do the cranberry one. That's probably the most dessert-like.
Cranberry sauce.
3, 2, 1. I actually can eat that.
I like that. I can finish half of it.
That one is sweet, so it tastes like candy. This, I think, is turkey.
Ew.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Uh-oh. Try it, you have to.
I just tried it.
Okay, last one.
White.
Stuffing. 3, 2, 1.
She didn't even eat.
Thank you, Andrea, for the Thanksgiving dinner. It was delicious.
This one's good.
Fix our palate with
Oh.
some chocolate popcorn.
Thank you, Andrea, for all the goodies.